Hi everyone, and welcome to Chef Din's cooking tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. So before we start, please pause the video now and get all the ingredients ready you require to make this dish. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, because then you'll get notified when I post new videos. And so let's not waste any more time and let's cook. But before we do start to cook, it's very important that we get everything ready before we start. When I started cooking these curries for my series, I had to spend good 3 hours getting the base gravy ready, getting the onions ready, and the chicken and all the other bits we need to create all different types of curries. And most importantly as well, we need to get our onions ready as well. There's 3 types of onions what we use in this style of cooking, and that is one, the Balti onions. I call them Balti onions because they are small, and it's what I used when I was making my Baltis back in the 80s. In the restaurant. So we need to get the Balti onions ready. We also need to get the Bhuna onions ready and the Dupiaza onions ready. The Dupiaza onions are mostly used in the Dupiaza dish and also in Dall fry. So they are like just boiled and cooked for about I think about 3 or 4 minutes, and that's it, you turn it off. And also the Bhuna onions, which is boiled and cooked for about 10 minutes, then you turn it off. And then you have everything basically ready to start your curries. And all the recipes for the onions you find in the descriptions. I'll leave a link. But also, most important as well, you need the mixed spice. I create my own mixed spice. This is what I used in my restaurant. So it's very simple to make. So get this ready, and then we're all ready to go basically. If you have any queries or any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if I can, I will give you the information you need. So let's not waste any more time now and start cooking our curries. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din, and today I'm going to do a Dupiaza, chicken Dupiaza. It's a really nice dish. For this you have to have your pre-cooked chicken, your freshly cut coriander, tomatoes, our Dupiaza onions, grated garlic, our mixed spice, our seasoned oil, and also a tomato sauce, which you'll find in the description how to make that, and methi and fresh Pepsicum, green Pepsicum. Well, let's begin. First we're going to add our garlic. We're going to just kind of saute that a little bit, just get it cooking. Our fry pan is just the right temperature. We don't want it too hot and we don't want it to burn. Put in your onions like you see. This is a very easy dish. Mind you, all BIR curries are easy to me, and hopefully will be easy to you as well if you follow my instructions and follow my method of cooking. Add your tomatoes in as well. We're only using 4 pieces of tomato, and there goes the mixed spice as well. Mixed spice, all these bits you will find in the description, and also on my channel as well, how to get it together. I've also added a little bit of red chili just to give it a little bit of flavour, because the onion's a little bit sweet, so you need to give it a little bit of flavour and to kill the sweetness. I've added a little bit of the tomato sauce which I've made, and also now I'm going to add the chicken. This is real time. I haven't really cut back on this video because I wanted to show you how quickly it is to cook this curry. It's roughly about 8-9 minutes to cook this curry from start to finish, so it's very easy to cook. You don't need to watch it all the time. After you've cooked a few of my curries the way I cook them, you'll find that you can walk away from it and just let it cook slowly, and so on. I've just added methi there as well, which will give it an extra bit of flavour there. So we're nearly ready to add our base gravy, and that's about it. Once we add the base gravy, we can just let it cook and thicken up a little bit, and you thicken it up to the thickness you want, really. It's all individual taste. I like mine not too thick. I like a little bit of sauce to it as well. It kind of helps when you're eating it with rice. This dish is very good with chapatis as well. You'll find a chapati recipe also in on my channel under breads. I've got a playlist showing you all the different breads you can make. Right, once you've had the base gravy, we're going to give it a good stir, and all we're going to do is just let it thicken up. This doesn't take too long. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It helps the channel to grow, and also tell all your friends about my method of cooking, because you'll find that this is the easiest way to cook British Indian style curries, and they are absolutely delicious. I should know, I've been selling them for years. So try this Dupiaza dish, and please let me know in the comments what you think of my Dupiaza. I've got quite a lot of different curries on my channel which you can replicate, like the masala, madras, and so on. You have also all the pre-cooked ingredients you'll need to cook British Indian style curries and or restaurant style curries, whatever one you prefer to say. And also I have loads of traditional curries as well, which are absolutely delicious. Once you cook the traditional curries, I'm not sure if you'll really be cooking restaurant style curries, because the traditional ones have much more flavour. So give them a go and see for yourself which ones you like. But this curry is nearly ready. We just have to come back to it every now and again and just give it a stir. Make sure it doesn't burn on the sides. It's very important. We don't want no burnt flavours in our curry. So all you do is just slowly just give it a stir, and that should do the job. As you can see, it's thickening up. It's going to be really lovely, this dish. I will have this with some boiled rice, and it'll be delicious. You can add a little bit more chili if you like, not too much. We want the flavour of the curry itself, remember, so don't kill the flavour with chili. That's not the way to eat curry. So you know, give this dish a go, and let me know what you think in the comments, whether you like this one, and also let me know how easy you found it to cook. Remember, all the base gravy ingredients and the way to cook it is all in my channel, and it's very important you cook my base when you cook this Dupiaza or any of my curries, because everything has a balance, and my base has a balance, and when I cook my curries, they all come together and are perfect combination. So give it a go, and please let me know what you think. We're going to just wait a couple of minutes now. It's nearly there, and then we are ready to serve. That's it. Now the curry is ready. We're going to just serve this curry up, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and let me know, as I say, what you think of my chicken Dupiaza. And remember, if you want beef instead of the chicken, you can just add the beef or vegetable or so on. And that's my Dupiaza, all ready to go and absolutely delicious. Anyway, bye for now, and see you in my next video.